dum de doo, la 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 la. Where are you guys? We're gonna rip it. Oh, it is my friends. Oh, guys. So welcome back to my channel. Just dynamite party. Okay, guys. So I think in the second video here, and now you have seen a lot of shorts that I made, and so in today's video we're going to do something with the thread that you saw in the first video. I think I made a spider web, right? Tell me in the comments below. Okay, and so I think we made a spider web, and I also called the name, which is called we have a cats, cutie pies, and scramble. Is it grabble? Scramble is grabble. So it's cat scrabble. I think you've heard of it. Then if you haven't heard of it, let me tell you. You should just came to my channel and you're watching my first video of this. Okay, then I'm gonna tell you. So the meaning of cat scrabble is that you take a thread, like it's a woolen also thing, but it should be slippery, not rough, and also not that much slippery that when you make a knot, it doesn't slip off. Not that much slippery, and not that much stiff. So means hard, stiff means hard and rough. So let's say rough. So don't take that kind of thread. Like take some less slippery, less rough and more slippery. Okay, not no rough, just a little bit rough. I have got like some slippery, less rough, but more slippery. So it just wow. So net thread, you make like things with it. So first put it here. I do with fingers. You do with fingers or like the wrist. We do like that, and we make shapes or things like that, like a dog, a rabbit, cat, anything. So in today's video, we're going to make a hammock, which is, we can also call it a fish net because it looks like a fish net, and just like honey bees cells, which are 6 sides, but almost like, which is where I just get 2 more sides and then 1 cell of a bee, but it looks like a beehive cell. So we can also call that a bee cell, a fish net, and a hammock or hammock, whatever. So now let's just call it my little bit of magic. By clapping. Yeah, so this is the thread, very long. So now let me just show you how slippery it is. Like you can't touch it. So let me just tell you. I'm gonna just it's very long. It's like 2 meters, almost like the last video I made of jet ski, the magic snake one. So it's just like so too long. My 72 blocks, and it's so long. It's so slippery. It's of 2 meters, and this is the knot. Like this is so slippery that it like when I was doing something with this, it just slipped off. So I do it again and again, and it happened like 2 times. So let's just get started. The fish net. So the first thing I would do is that we make a thread along the line. So now then they make a loop. Put it on your thing, and I'm just take the spring, which is next to the index finger, take it and rub it behind the pinky. So this you call the last finger, and do the same with your other finger, other hand, right hand and left hand. And don't start by making something. Start started with the cross, and this is an important position. So see, I'm making a cross by this bit. That's fine. So I put it up. So this, which I just moved here, will be used by the right hand. I'll do it right now. And if I do like this will be like the cross in the middle, but the top part, which is almost like it, but first put it like this to make it more easy. So take this thread, put it here. So if you do like this direction, then that we have to do with the right hand to start with, and if you want, and then if you do it from the bottom to the top like that, then this will be called from the left hand. So my opinion is that always take the back thread like this. So that then let me just show you. Okay, so if I take this front thread like this, so I'm gonna just tell you the step right now. Just few steps. So like take the right index finger, put it in this horizontal line, like this, and then open, but tight. Okay. Oh my god, something got wrong. Okay, let me just tell you. I just told you. So if you start with that like this and do a right index finger, it will just get stuck together. So it's gonna get stuck like this. I'll just show you. And I'm gonna show you like that, so that if you just do something wrong. So my opinion is that do whatever. This is just a demo. That's not the correct way. Like this is the cross like this. Okay, like this from here. Do that cross. Start it from the right index finger. Now take this, which means these two, and then here do the same step. And now the next step is to release it. So if you can see this thumb, it is with here and here, means it will get tangled. Now if you just leave left the thumbs, it will get stuck here. So my opinion is that always do like this. Up the back thread, move it at your front like this. There's also like this. So the easy way is like so the easy way that you can do, take it with your hand like this, and now take the last, now take this, and now do the same thing, but that. Now take the back thread, and now sorry, I'll take that. Okay, just the easy way is now take that over these 3 fingers. So yeah, here. So just like a cross in the middle, but what I'm doing it is like this. Now check right now. Yes, here it is, like that. So I make this top here and bottom here. Just like that. Got it? So now just start. Do the same steps that I told you. Take your right hand. Pull tight. Take out these. Now let's go the thumbs. So if you can see, this shape will come, and this is right because it's got not tangled. So now use your index finger. Now come on the left hand versus the middle finger. And now you can see this horizontal line. Put your index finger in that. And now join the middle finger and the index finger, and now pull. Same goes with this. The same. Isn't that join the index finger and the middle finger, and then pull. Done. Now take the thumb. Now if you can see the pinky finger, this last one, right next to this, right next to this, there's one more line. The second last line, we also say it in cricket. So let's pick that. Just nice, right? you'll get an X in the middle. Now, take your right hand. Now, if you can see this horizontal line here, put these two fingers, the middle and the index finger, that, and join the index finger and the middle finger together like this. Middle finger and index finger. And then pull. Okay, do the same. Take your index finger and your middle finger from left hand, join the index finger and the middle finger on the right hand, and pull. Almost done. Now, the last thing you have to do is take your thumb. Now, if you can see this X in the middle, it's just not like that. It's like this. This in the middle, you can see. So, after that, you have to undo that X. So, on the thumb, take out it, and now turn it towards you. There's no X. Do the same with the other thumb on the right hand. Done. Now you can see a diamond. So simple. Now don't do of the index finger. Do it with the middle finger. Same step. Take it off your middle finger. Turn it towards you. Take it back. So in the right hand. And now the last one you have to do is with the pinkies. And don't turn toward it. Turn it backwards. So on the same. Take this out and turn it like that. Okay. Same with the other one. And your hammock. Okay. So now there are two of these, and I want to make one more video of the hammock. After I think today is 2022, which is 15th August, which is Independence Day, and if you're in India, then Happy Independence Day. If you're an Indian watching this, Happy Independence Day. So, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye. And now let me just tell you that you just throw like that will be tangled. So do that. Take it like this, and now turn it like that. Make an X, and I'll I just extend like that. And if you can see a big cross here, put that there, and then you make a double. Double string. Do the same. Turn like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. So this is much I can do. Okay, this much. And this is 2 minutes. Don't get the exact of this. And when I told you starting how to make it, you can just line it backwards. You get this. And thanks for watching this video. Like it, subscribe, like it, and subscribe more. My channel is the best. No one ever sees anyone's channel. This channel is the best because I make so many creations. I made a Mickey Mouse drawing, I made a cat Scrabble, and I made a magic snake. Also, I think I made Minecraft. I do so many creations on this, and thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel, which is named Dynamite, which is boomed, explodes with night. And thank you. So bye. Party for the hammock one.